Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find old videos on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on menu on the bottom right corner and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. And once you're on this page you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find activity log in your activity section. Now you'll have to tap on activity log and it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap on your Facebook activity, and then it will pop up with 4 different options and you'll have to tap on manage posts. And after that you'll have to tap on filters on the top left corner and then tap on categories, and after that you'll have to tap on your posts and videos, and on this page you'll be able to find all the videos that you have posted or shared on Facebook with the dates that you did it, and you'll be able to find all the videos or your old videos on Facebook. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video,